Hi everyone, today we're exploring the Crock-Pot Artisan 7-quart round enameled cast iron Dutch oven in Slate Gray. A versatile and heavy-duty cookware piece perfect for slow cooking, baking, roasting, and simmering. This Dutch oven features durable cast iron construction that retains and distributes heat evenly for consistent cooking results. Its porcelain enamel finish is naturally nonstick and makes cleaning up easy, while the included lid helps lock in moisture and flavor. Ideal for braising tender meats or baking hearty casseroles, this pot delivers professional quality performance. Hand washing is recommended to maintain its beautiful finish and long-lasting durability. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, this Dutch oven is designed to elevate your culinary creations. Experience the perfect blend of style, functionality, and durability with the Crock-Pot Artisan Dutch oven. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.